to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little thrift haul styling video. I didn't really buy it too much, but I still wanted to share with you what I got. So I thought one of the pieces I thought I could style in 3 different ways for you, just so you can sort of see how I actually style the items that I thrift. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. The first thing I brought was this book. I find I'm thrifting books a lot more recently, although I have slowed down on my reading, so I need to kind of speed up on the reading to kind of make it okay that I keep buying books. But this is called Diversity: How to Challenge Inequality and Why We Should. I thought this would be an interesting book to read. I am definitely a non-fiction sort of person. I like to learn when I'm reading, and this is only £2 from British Heart Foundation, and it's quite a chunky one, but I thought this would be quite a good book to read, and it is slightly different from the books I'm currently reading at the moment. I'm reading lots of sex educated books at the moment, so it'd be nice to kind of mix it up with something a little bit different. It talks about living with disabilities, ethnic minorities, LGBTQ plus community, and it kind of just about biases and all this sort of things. So I have no idea really if it's good or not. Well, from what I've read, it looks good, and from the little reviewy things they put on the front of the book, it looks good. So I'm excited to read this. I've not heard anything about it. This is winner of London's Big Read, so it'll be a nice book to give a go to. And yeah, it was only £2, so I picked that one up. There was a couple of books in there I was tempted by, but I thought that one caught my eye the most. And then the other thing I brought is just these trousers. So these were £7.50, I think. Let me check. These were, yep, £7.50. They're originally from Zara. They're in an extra large, and they're these basically kind of a wider leg leather trouser. So I've been wanting a pair of these for so long. I've been looking on Depop, and I got to the point where I was like, I'm not going to be able to thrift them. I'm just going to have to buy them on Depop, which is fine. I don't mind buying stuff off Depop, but I always find it's a bit annoying. You can't try it on. So I tried these on in the changing rooms, and I don't know if they're flattering or not. So I thought what I would do is I'm going to bring them back, and this is where you guys come in. I'm going to style these in a couple of different ways, and we'll kind of decide together what we think. Although please be nice in the comments and just tell me they look nice even if they don't. So I picked these up. They've got like quite a chunky belt. They're very, very high-waisted, and the things that was throwing me off, I think, is that the hip part is quite wide. Now I do have wide hips, so that is good. So I think I was trying this on with the jumper, and I think I couldn't get the vision of it because my jumper was quite thick, and I feel like this will look nice with kind of a very slimline bodysuit. Something slim on the top I think will be really good with these. But for £7.50, these are from Cancer Research. I thought I did try them on, obviously. I do like them, so I'm interested to style them. I think this would be great for clubbing, but then I equally think you could kind of dress these down and make them good for like everyday drinks. I feel like these are a good can be worn for any occasion trouser. I feel like I could dress this casual, which is what I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to dress it in different ways, and yeah, let's try these on. So this is the first way I've styled this. I'd say this is quite casual. I feel like this, however, still looks like quite put together though. So if you're going somewhere for like a whole day, I feel like this would be quite a fun outfit to wear. And I actually really do like the trousers. I don't know why they're throwing me off in the shop, but I do really like them. I've paired this with a vintage t-shirt. This was from, I'm gonna say, Stay in Your Lane in Brighton, which is like a little vintage store there. I've paired it with this thrifted Givenchy necklace, which I got from Marie Curie, this bright orange bag from British Heart Foundation, and then obviously these trousers from Cancer Research. And I actually think this is so cute. I like the gold jewellery, even though they have got silver hardware on there. I feel like you can still get away with kind of all gold jewellery apart from that though. And yeah, I really like this. I think it's quite cool, it's quite edgy. I feel like this is a way to kind of, if leather trousers seem intimidating to you, wear something with a t-shirt that you're comfortable with. I feel that's a great way to kind of make you feel comfortable with the outfit. I feel like some chunky boots would look cute with this, also some Jordans. I feel like there's multiple ways you can style this outfit, but I like the kind of orange, pulling the orange from the top. And yeah, I really like this outfit, and definitely think this is one I'm going to be wearing very soon. The next way I styled these would be for like a night out, maybe dinner and drinks, and I feel like this is quite a cute outfit. Again, I've stuck with the gold. I know, again, it's got silver hardware, but it's not like gold jewellery. I just always think looks better. I'm wearing it just with a little necklace, my faux YSL bag, this bodysuit I got off of Depop, and yeah, I think it's nice. I really like an all black outfit, and I feel like it looks really, really cute and classy. I think with a pair of little black heels, this would be a really, really cute outfit. And then I feel like if I wore this, I would have to do a red lip, just because everything is so like black. I feel like a red lip would be a nice pop of colour. So yeah, I really like these. But again, I feel like this outfit maybe more highlights the kind of wider pockets. I feel like if you have a wider silhouette silhouette top, then it doesn't bring so much attention to the kind of wider pockets. I feel like I usually do kind of squish them down, but yeah, I think this is really cute, and I think with the black heels this would be such a vibe. I feel like this is kind of an in-between dressy casual look. I feel like the top is quite casual, but still has a little bit of shape. I have tried to kind of pull it back and kind of tuck it in a little bit, just so it's kind of more snug fitting. If you've seen this top before, you'll know I'm kind of finding it awkward to style. I actually swapped out my gold jewellery for some silver craft corner hoops with some little pinky pastely pearls, and I feel like this is really, really cute. I feel like the white is a really nice kind of juxtaposition on it. It makes it look a bit different, it makes the trousers stand out, and yeah, I really like the way this is styled. I feel like the little white bag just look pretty cute, and yeah, really happy with this outfit. So that's everything I got from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and comment what your favourite way to style them leather trousers is, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!